Today, we build the fastest glider in the gully. Precision first, Kai. The Sloyd method says we respect the wood.
And I've got the strength of an elephant to prove it! Why won't it spin? My muscles are failing me.
It's not muscles, Kai. It's geometry. Brains beat bulldozers.
Okay, Mastermind. Concrete stage. Clamped and ready.
Measure twice, cut once. If the diameter is off, the physics fails.
Steady, steady like a rhino charging a target. Oops! Guess my elephant strength is a bit clumsy today.
That's 15 nails, Kai. Subitizing saves us time.
Syncing up in 3 and 2. 1. Final rabbit joint in place. It's alive! The gully glider is ready for takeoff. Look at that velocity! Math in motion! Don't worry, Zuri! I've got the heavy lifting covered. Adjusting for friction, and safe landing! Is that pimento smoked chicken?
Building masterpieces works up a rhino-sized appetite.
Smallest heroes, strongest minds!
Kai and Zuri, Guardians of Tomorrow.